Hello and welcome to the Fun by Design channel. In this video we are going to take a look at the Holy Stone HS510 GPS drone with built-in 4K camera. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to see all the great products we show you in the Fun by Design channel. Okay, let's go and take a look at the Holy Stone HS510 drone. The Holy Stone HS510 drone is a high-performance drone for adults with a built-in 4K UHD WiFi camera. It is a foldable FPV quadcopter packed full of amazing features. The camera is capable of 4K super resolution photos and is able to use every single pixel, giving you crystal clear photos and film footage. This allows the camera to provide smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second and 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. The app control function allows you to have endless fun. This drone is truly awesome with GPS Follow Me. When the Follow Me function is enabled, the drone follows the GPS in your smartphone to follow you wherever you go, which allows you to take some amazing footage. This function can capture simple things like walking the dog or even action shots of you riding a bike. Another great function of the drone is its point of interest function. Enter this function and the drone will continuously circle clockwise around your present position. A great way of capturing real creative footage for your filmmaking. The drone also has smart return home. The remote control range is approximately 1,624 feet, so if you lose sight of your drone, the smart return home function is brilliant. The drone will simply fly back to its takeoff point as per your instruction. It will also do this when it runs out of power or loses connection, even when you accidentally fly it out of range. The tap fly function allows you to plan your flight round a built-in map. Combine video with tap fly and this drone will record beautiful scenery along its route. The Holy Stone HS510 drone also has optical flow positioning. The optical flow positioning system is typically used in an indoor environment when GPS signal is weak or unavailable, but it is useful outdoors too if you can't get GPS. The Holy Stone's lightweight and foldable design makes it more suitable for carrying or travelling. The professional storage case not only saves space, but it also makes it convenient to carry. The system connects to GPS and GLONASS, giving dual satellite connectivity using both GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, which means the GPS signal is not easily lost outdoors. A great feature is the drone's brushless motors with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and will last much longer than a brushed motor. They are also maintenance free, which makes your flight much more enjoyable. Being portable and ultralight, the HS510 has a compact design, in that the quadcopter arms and blades can be folded. It is small when folded and weighs less than 250 grams. This also means, along with the optical flow positioning, barometer and satellite systems, it ensures the drone has terrific return to home point and a more precise landing capability. The camera's angle can be adjusted manually and the drone has 5G Wi-Fi capability. The maximum memory expansion is a 32GB TF card, which is not included with the drone. This drone is a perfect choice for beginners and experienced flyers. Plus, you do not need to register this drone with the government before you can fly. If you are interested in finding out more about the Holy Stone HS510 GPS drone and its current price, I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching this Fun by Design video about the Holy Stone HS510 camera drone. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up by hitting the like button. Subscribe to the Fun by Design channel to see more great fun products, and hit the bell icon to be notified of any future videos that I make. Also, if you fly a drone or you already have the Holy Stone HS510, leave a comment below and tell us all about your experiences. See you in the next video, and bye for now!